Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to import and export your contacts in Outlook. So let's get in. As you can see here, we are on the Outlook desktop app, right? And we're going to go over to the left-hand side on our menu here, and we're going to click on File. Once we're in File, on the left-hand side, you can see that there is an Open and Export. And here we're going to go down and look for import and export. Now this is where you will do all your importing and exporting of any type of data in your Outlook account. So this is not limited to only your contacts. Now the first thing we're going to do is export. All right, so we can export to a file. Okay, this is the one that we're going to use. We're going to use a CSV format. We're going to click on next, and here we're going to click on comma separated value. So this is a CSV file. We're going to click on next, and here we are going to select the folder to export from. So we are going to look for contacts, and everything within our Outlook contacts will now be exported. We're going to tap on next. This is then what the file will be saved as, and we're going to tap on next, and it says yes, I've just done this, so that's fine. We are going to replace it, and we're going to say yes. Okay, so from here now you can see it says the following actions will be performed. So we're going to export contacts from the folder contacts, which is in our Outlook app. Okay, that's fine. So here we can map custom fields. That's fine. We're going to just say cancel. This is what we would like to export, and we're going to tap on finish. This is now exporting, and it will be on our device, okay, on our computer. So now if we want to import something, we are going to take the following steps. So we're going to go into file again on the left hand side and look for open and export, and then our import and export again. Now from here, this time we are going to select import from another program or file. Now this is importing from another program or another file into Outlook. And here again, we're going to select the CSV, the comma separated values. Tap on next, and again here you can choose whether to replace duplicates with items that are imported. We can also allow duplicates to be created, or we can not have the import duplicate items. So we're going to just leave it on its default. Also, we are going to choose where it is actually being imported, and we're going to tap on next. So here at the top, we're going to choose our file. So we're going to tap on browse, and this will be on your device. Now this is the file that I prepared. If you go over to the right hand side, it says type. You can see it says comma separated values file. So this is a CSV file. We can now tap on OK and next, and here we're going to choose where we are actually putting it in. So we're going to select contacts, select next. Again, we are going to select this checkbox over here and just say cancel. We are not going to change the destination or map custom fields, and we're going to tap on finish. Now in the next few minutes you will actually have that contact list on your Outlook account. There we go. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.